Hello all, welcome back again to my YouTube channel Zade Academy. Today let's start by talking about four pretty simple text function: trim, upper, lower and proper. Starting with the trim, basically all it does is remove any leading or the trailing spaces from a text string. And while that might seems like kind of a trivial things for a function to do, it's actually really important, and that's because if two text strings are identical except for the fact that one has a trailing space at the end, they will look exactly the same to you, but Excel will treat them as a totally different values. So that can totally wreak havoc on things like lookup or the match function that are trying to find two exact values to match. So trim will make them equivalent, and honestly, it's a nice best practice to get in habit of using just to standardize your text fields. Then lower, upper, and the proper, these are just capitalization based functions. So lower will just convert the characters of a reference array to all lower cases. Upper will convert all the characters to uppercase, and proper will capitalize the first letter in each word of a texting. So let's dive into an Excel here and see what we got to work with. I have open Excel here file and we have got some names here. So our first challenge is to create two new fields for first name and the last name. And these are there, but I will let you know why they are required. And what we gonna do here is to convert the proper case and also trim out my potential leading or the traveling spaces. And as you can see, these all look just like the normal first name and the last name. But if you see and select this any cell, let's say Khalil, you will see that it, I mean, for the instance, has a trailing space after it. So Slolan does not have, Patrick have, so like that. But as you can see, it's really manual, and the only way to tell is by actually clicking into the value of each cells. So what we are going to do is to create a new column and just right click on the column B, insert, and I'm gonna call this new column as the, let's say, proper first name. And so I'm going to start with just a proper function here. So equals proper, open up the parentheses, select the first one, close the parentheses and hit enter. As you can see that the Khalil, and it converts the Khalil from capitalized to a caps to a with just a capital K only. Now I don't need to create a new column and take the trim of this version. I can just add a trim to this and write both function at once. So I'm going to say equals trim, open up the parenthesis, then close the parenthesis, and then when I apply enter and when I apply this down and just say we need the values, so control C, control alert V, and the values, you may see that now here Khalil have the space, here Khalil don't have the space, correct? So let's do the same exact things with the column C as well. Insert, it's named as a last name, so proper last name, enter, equals trim, sorry, open up the parentheses, then what was that, we have to just use the proper, open up the parentheses, select the D2 column, close the parentheses, and again close the parentheses for trim as well, so hit the enter. Now same way, just drag it down, so we got the proper last name here. So we have wrapped with the proper to clean up the first name and the last name here. Now let's see about the lower. These are pretty simple, but let's just explain this ones. So equals lower, select anyone, it is in caps, so let's say select this one and enter. You may see all are in lower cases. For the upper, let's say upper. Hmm, let's say we have some name here in the C3 as well. Click here, so all are in a uppercase. So there you go. This is all about simple text functions, trim, upper, lower, and the proper one. So thank you. So thank you all. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel to get more videos to SZ Academy. For other courses, please mention in the comment box to create those courses for you. Thank you all.